In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to recharge your Presto card online. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All the tools that you need to recharge your Presto card are available on the Presto card website, so all that you have to do is go to www.prestocard.ca. In here, you will have plenty of options and ways to recharge and use your Presto card. Keep in mind that you can also do this process through the mobile app, but I highly recommend that you do it through the website instead. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to sign into your account, and when you select the option I am a Presto user with an activated card, the option to load my card should be the first one to pop up. Alternatively, you can also go into the menu, select Presto card, and then load a card. Keep in mind that your card has to be activated and set up, so if necessary, go through the activation process first, and after you are done setting up your Presto card for use, load it with funds. You will notice that there are plenty of options. You can load funds directly, load a transit pass, set up auto load and auto renewal. Basically, all of these options will allow you to load your cards with balance. The first one allows you to load a certain amount directly, but setting up auto load might be helpful if you use your card on a daily or even weekly basis, because it is going to do this process repeatedly automatically for you. So even if you forget to load funds before a trip, it is going to have it done automatically. But anyways, regardless of which option you choose, you will be redirected to a page that is going to present all of the options that you have. Usually they're going to recommend to do this process through the app, and if you prefer, just follow the instructions here. But if you want to do it online, you have to sign into your account. So tap the sign in or create account option and choose between signing into your Presto account directly or using your card. Once you are done inputting your credentials, you will be able to choose the amount and recharge your card. Unfortunately, I cannot demonstrate this process fully because I don't have a Presto card at hand, but as long as you do this process through this page, you will be able to sign in and recharge your Presto card online. I hope I was able to help you on how to recharge your Presto card online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.